If your new iPhone is glitching, lagging, or apps keep freezing after you set it up, don't panic. This is only often temporary. All right, one common reason is that your iPhone is still finishing setup and syncing data in the background. So if it's, things seem off, this is one thing you can check. All right, we're gonna first go into settings. And this can include restoring data app data, downloading app updates, indexing files, and indexing and syncing iCloud data. All right, so guys, as you can see, thankfully now they actually will notify you. So on top, you see some iCloud data isn't syncing. Now, in case there's a reason why you don't want to sync, because you're worried that your photos are going to just unload on you or something like that from iCloud, don't worry. This is more like other information, as it says on top. So some of it is for the apps. And so you want to actually resume data sync. So go ahead and resume data sync. So it's going to ask you to put in. All right, guys, so I just put in my Apple account and password using the email that's linked to. And then now we're gonna have to put another password for the phone. All right, so after that, when you put in the passcode, it'll just like jump back to this page, the home screen. So leave your iPhone connected to the Wi-Fi and if possible, plugged into a charger while it's finishing the syncing. So I could be charging it right now. But also make sure that the apps in the iOS are up to date. To get to the iOS, we're gonna go ahead and hit settings, then we're gonna go to general, then we're gonna see software update. And then it says, I am up to date. Okay, so if your phone is still glitching after everything has finished syncing and updating, restart the phone. If the problem continues for more than a day or two, it could often be a software bug or another issue. And that's why your new iPhone may be glitching after setup. So go ahead and try this out, guys. I hope it works. If it does, please consider liking, subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.